So a while ago I was playing around with my piano here and going through a bunch of sounds. It has like a few hundred of them actually, kind of crazy. And you know, just like mashing keys, playing whatever, and then I hit this note. I think that sounds familiar. What is this? Underheim. Huh. Hmm. And with both hands. Oh, so there's that. I haven't found any video on YouTube with people doing the lick with the same sound. I always thought what it was, and then hear it, yeah. Also, here it is in different octaves.